What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. So today we got the Jordan 1. I hit these on the FLX app finally, and we have Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, white, black, electro orange. Do I have the stamp right there? So we got the Jordan 1 electro orange. You got the orange bottom, Nike here in the middle, white midsole, white on the back. It's actually a pretty good leather in my opinion. I see some people saying that it's a stiff leather, whatever, but if you look at it, it's actually a good full grain leather. You feel it, you could tell right here, you can see it. It's actually the leather on the black leather around the toe box is better than the bread, royal, and those colorways in my opinion. Like, really look at it and compare them. It's a different type of leather. This is actually a full grain leather. Is not synthetic. So the only thing that I don't like, the colorway. They should have did the back, like the back panel right here should have been like, it should have made this black, made the swoosh orange or something. It's like too much white going on back here. It's a little bit too much white in the back for me, but they're alright. I wasn't gonna get them, but I was just like, let me just try, because I don't usually win nothing on the FLX app. So I just tried, and I did reserve these. So I just pick them up. You got that shiny orange around the ankle right there. I don't know if this is leather. It kind of look like a paint or some type of covering. I don't think that's a leather back here. You do got black laces, comes in them, and this is insert. Says die cut sock liner right there, and 9.5. Black sock liner, kind of like a smoother. It's not like the original sock liner. It's a little bit different. So that's black insole, and on the insole you have a white Nike Air with an orange swoosh, and it's a little bit different. You got an outline around it. I don't know what they was going for with that, but the insole, the stamp on the insole is a little bit different. Behind the tongue, black nylon tongue, and you have that Nike Air in white with the orange swoosh, white perforated toe box, black leather around the ankle and on the lace hoops right here, black swoosh. The white leather is also a good, nice quality, decent leather. You got some tumble right there on both sides. They do come with orange and white laces. I'm keeping mine black. I'm not even going to put the orange or the white in there. Maybe I might do in the future, but right now I'm just keeping them black. So how y'all feel about these? Did y'all pick them up? Y'all feeling them? Y'all gonna pass? Don't like the colorway? I don't know. I think after you get them in hand and you see them, you see the quality, you're really not gonna pay attention to all the white that's on the back part of the shoe. Because when I first seen them on picture, I was like, nah, I'm not feeling them, because of the white. Is just look like it's just too much. Like the color wasn't hitting. Kind of like those fragment Travis Scott's that's coming. It's like, to me, it's like too much white on it. They should have put a little bit of blue in the back panel right here. But I don't know. Like I said, just like these, when you get them in hand, it might be, you might feel different about it. But on pictures, it just look like the color is just overwhelming. It's just like too much. But let me know what y'all think about these though. If y'all feeling them, If y'all not, if y'all gonna pick them up, y'all gonna pass. I feel like these is gonna like go up eventually, because from the front view they look pretty decent. They look almost like a black toe. So let me know what y'all think. And I haven't been posting because it's not really that much good drops that's dropping, and I kind of like that in a way because I could go back and pick up other stuff that I always wanted to get. So I kind of like the stretched out releases, like 1 or 2 a month, so I could, you know, cop some older stuff that I wanted. And let me know what y'all think about the show. So like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the on foot.